all its excitement has come to town.
We love fairs. Please take us, Uncle Barney.
I hate fairs, and I especially hate candy floss.
Did someone say candy floss? Where's my collar?
So, Barney and his friends make their way to the fair.
Oh dear, I don't think I'm going to like this much. I always seem to have accidents when I'm in cars.
You'll be quite good at this then.
Yippee!
Whoa!
Yippee! You're really great at this. Watch it.
Oh, dear me. I thought I was a bad driver, but there are some loonies out there who shouldn't be allowed behind the wheel of a car.
It's all fun, Prophet.
Well, let me tell you, my idea of fun is being tucked up in my favourite armchair, listening to good music. It's soothing for the nerves. Oh, yeah.
Enjoying yourself, Prophet?
Barney was certainly having fun, playing all the games, winning all the prizes for Cornelia. Well, nearly all the prizes.
I think we better leave now, Barney.
Ah, here's something that will cheer us all up. Candy floss.
Anything but candy floss. Don't you know what it does?
Having fun, are you, Roger?
Oh, what did I tell you? Oh.
Look, balloon rides.
Great. I've always wanted to try one of those.
And they all go off in search of the balloon.
Back in 10 minutes. We can't wait that long.
You've gone quite far enough, Barney. You'd better come down now.
Nothing can happen till you let go of the ropes.
What did you say?
I said you'd need to let go of the ropes first.
What did he say? Let go of the ropes.
And that's exactly what the puppies did. The balloon started to float slowly away.
Help! Help! Help!
Oh, please, someone help!
Hey, you! I say, turn off the gas! Whoa!
It's my turn now. No, it's mine.
There, now that'll teach you. Now, clear off, or I'll charge you for the ride.
Poor Barney.
Having fun, are we?
We certainly intend to.
Yippee! Oh, this is
So the pups did have a balloon ride after all.
yeah, this is really fun.